Hi guys, welcome back. I have the December 22 card kit from Simon Says Stamp, and as usual I'm going to reveal what that is. Now most of you probably already got this because there is sometimes a time delay in it getting to me, but I still want to share it with you and share some projects. So let's dive in. Comes beautifully packaged as always, with the little Simon sticker. Oh. Right, so you always get a little like discount thingy with it. It's a technical term, of course. And then we have, oh, this is all caught up. Let me just sort this out. Right, it's just things got a bit caught up. Right, so I have a little candy which they always give you in the kit. This one did not come with a the mesh bag by the look of it, and this is just examples of what you can do with the kit, and it's the joy to you and yours. So I will refer to that hopefully in some sort of order. Right, so first of all we have an envelope. I think there's only one envelope. Yeah, so there's a Simon White envelope, A2 size, so that's lovely. Then the cardstock, there is Nina 110, and this is Simon's Schoolhouse Red, which is actually a much deeper red than it's showing up on camera, but very pretty red. So we have that. Then we have, let's do the papers. We have these beautiful papers, which I believe are Prima. Yes, they are the Prima's Candy Cane Lane collection, and they're kind of like a longer, I want to say like a 4x8 maybe. But these are beautiful papers, double-sided, and some really vintagey, soft coloured, Christmassy papers. Very pretty. Some of these you could cut these little pieces out for art journals and that sort of thing. Cute candy. You can make this into a whole journaling thing. Oh, isn't that pretty? And then there's a whole 6 little cards. Again, you can cut them out and put them on a art journal page. These look like tags. Excuse me. So again, you could cut those out and add them to, you know, make them into a tag. So then we also have, well, let's talk about this. This is 5.5 by 8.5 piece of velvet, no, Snow White velvet cardstock, and this is from Simon. This is Simon's sort of cardstock. It's got that velvety texture to it. So this is great for the next thing I'm going to show you, which is the die that you get in this set, which is an outline die, and then one that will cut out all the pieces. So you could cut this out. You'd have to cut it out several times to get all the layers, but you could cut out in the velvet cardstock the trim on the hat and his beard, and it will be like that flocking kind of thing. It's very cool. So of course this is the Santa Claus die from Simon, and I love that there's a layering piece, because often when there's little pieces it's hard to layer them with nothing at the back. So that's handy. Then we have 3 candy canes from, I believe these are Tim Holtz. Yeah, candy cane confections from Tim Holtz, so you get 3 of them as opposed to like a full pack. There's also the new lumberjack plaid distressing, which has just fairly recently been released when I'm talking about this. But my cat. But they Simon managed to get a mini. There isn't a mini until all 4 of the next, or you know, the 4 next colours are released. So I think Simon made a plan with Tim and Ranger and got a mini. But obviously I will get the full size when they come out. Of course, got to have it. So then there is some more deco foil in the holiday combo, which I believe has a few different, yeah, you get a silver, gold, red and green sheet. And as in the November kit, which I still haven't shared too much, we got really sick in this household, so we're still getting through that. So there are 2 sheets of these foil transfers, and what you do is you you'll have the image and you'll peel off to reveal a sticky adhesive, and you then layer your transfer foil over the top, burnish it, and there's different ways to do this. And then when you reveal, sorry, when you peel the foil off, it will reveal the now shiny image, if that made any sense. So I will share those soon. So those are Simon's, and then the deco foil, and then the embossing folder is called, look at that, so pretty. It's the fir tree branches, and I love this because you could use this pretty much, well, for a lot of the season, winter, autumn. That's beautiful. I think that make a great thing. And if you emboss this and then colour each of the raised areas in 2 different colours, perfect. I had a video where I showed that on a previous kit. And then of course the main part of the kit is the stamp set, which is called Joy to You and Yours, and it's got some beautiful vintagey label style and a huge sentiment here. Sometimes you need that big sentiment, and some beautiful vintagey images, or you know, excuse me, one main one, and then some more signage which is sort of vintage style, and I love that because you could have that just as a main focus on your card or your scrapbook page or whatever. So that's it. How cool is this kit? Let me just drag it all in. All these beautiful papers, inks, envelope, candy. Anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. I will obviously start sharing some of these more and more. We've just, like I said, got a bit sick in the house. We're still recovering. God love COVID, so hey ho. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I actually have a surprise for you of something I got for Christmas, so I will be sharing that soon, and I'm very excited because it works like a charm. And so I'm super excited about that. But anyway, I will leave you to it, and hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.